Pioneer updated their line of GM digital amplifiers, and the 5-channel GM-D9705 packs an absolute punch, plus offers incredible flexibility. The new design is a complete improvement from the older model. I always thought the former design was a little too glossy and reflective. The new high-quality textured flat panel and tough frame suit each other and provide the perfect amount of practical style. The amplifier supports 3, 4, and 5-channel operation. The best way to take advantage of this amplifier's potential is with a 5-channel system at 2 ohms with 4 high-powered speakers getting 100 watts RMS and a subwoofer getting 600 watts RMS for a total of 1000 watts RMS to cover your entire 5-channel setup. At 4 ohms, the speakers will get 75 watts RMS and the subwoofer will get 350 watts RMS. Another option is bridging the 4 speaker channels, creating 2 channels providing 200 watts RMS each and 350 watts RMS to a subwoofer, all at 4 ohms. Still waiting on that 1 ohm stable rating, Pioneer. The amplifier has very solid internal components. But as always, let's test it out ourselves. We'll start off with the Boom Boom and test the subwoofer channel at 4 ohms, 14.4 volts. Again, Pioneer rates this at 350 watts RMS, and we picked up 355 to 360 watts RMS. 38.2 volts on the oscilloscope. Overachiever. Next, we brought the subwoofer channel down to 2 ohms to see what this thing can really do. Pioneer rates the subwoofer channel at 600 watts RMS at 2 ohms. And we hit it right on the money, 600 watts RMS at 2 ohms, 34.6 volts. Very impressive. Then we tested single speaker channels. Pioneer rates their single channels at 4 ohms at 75 watts RMS. And we exceeded that, getting 105 watts RMS per channel at 4 ohms, 17 volts on the oscilloscope. Absolute beast. And finally, Pioneer rates their single channels at 2 ohms as 100 watts RMS. And we shockingly got 160 watts RMS at 2 ohms, 16.1 volts. In conclusion, we were very impressed with Pioneer's GM-D9705, specifically with the power it provides to the speaker channels. And for a 5-channel amplifier, this thing is very compact and will fit in tons of applications with dimensions of 7 7/8 inches in width, 12 inches in length, and 2 3/8 inches in height. In case you don't have an aftermarket head unit, Pioneer provides their 5-channel with a speaker level input, as well as a speaker level harness to connect to the OEM audio system. With your aftermarket stereo, you will use the RCA outputs. You connect all 6 channels to the 6-channel inputs on the GM-D9705 amplifier. The amplifier's adjustments include control over the low and high pass filters of all channels and the subwoofer. Use the included remote bass control to make the adjustments up front, which has its own input. Besides power and ground terminals, the amplifier has a dedicated subwoofer block with larger terminals than the A and B channel speaker outputs, as well as 3 30-amp fuses to help prevent damage with the LED power and protect indicator. We recommend 4-gauge power and ground leads, and 10 to 12 gauge for speaker and subwoofer connections. Use Install Bay's IBC PLR2 gauge reducers to accommodate larger wires than your amplifier's terminals. Check out all of our amplifier installation kits, link in the bio. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.